G'day you good roosters. I'm here in Bologna, centre of Bologna, outside Rino's garage. Who's Rino, you might say? Stefano Caracchi is the C in NCR racing, and this is a son's homage to a father. Let's go inside and check it out. So 5 minutes walk from Bologna's Piazza Maiori, you can find Rino's garage. It's a private collection of important Ducati memorabilia and history. After all, Rino and NCR were the de facto Ducati race team through the 70s and into the early 80s. Those of course were the Bilberhead days, endurance monsters, Isle of Man wins with Mike Hailwood, trellis frame prototypes. Old Rino lived and breathed Ducatis, and when you walk into this studio-styled museum, you can certainly feel them there. So as you stroll around the two levels, you can learn about each bike's story. There's 50 singles, of course there's plenty of twins, and even the one-off Cobas F1 750 that paved the way for Ducati's signature trellis build. Phantom power! This is Rino's passion on display, of course. Rino was the performance mechanical side of NCR racing, and so right through the Panther years, the bevel years, of course, it was Rino was always there. And of course this is where the real value is. Stefano, who is Rino's son, of course, is the perfect storyteller. He grew up around the bevel racing boom as a teenager. Learnt it off his father, of course, and rode NCR Prep Ducatis. Raced until about 1995, including almost winning the 1988 Battle of the Twins at Daytona on an NCR prepared 851, one of the first ones out of the factory. He got pipped at the post though by Roger Marshall riding the Cosworth Norton Special, but anyway, he proved that what a formidable bike the 851 was at the time. He also ran a team campaigning Ducati 749s later on, and he's got lots of interesting stories about this period also. He's got an awesome resume that few can match as far as Ducati racing history goes. So in the studio museum, Stefano, yeah, he lights up over anything Ducati, of course. He knows all the specs and all the stories, and he'll walk you through the private collection like he's giving you behind the scenes access to Ducati. Yeah, like right into NCR's soul. He's a very good guy, Stefano, very forthcoming with any questions that I put to him. I spent hours chatting with him actually. 1 minute we're talking trellis versus bevel bikes and stuff, and the next we're dissecting Mike Hailwood's TD win. Of course, you know, he was over in the UK at the time with his father, and this of course makes the whole experience feel very personal and unforgettable really when you get to talk about all these historic Ducati moments with Stefano. Anyway, here's the address. I'll add it to the video description as well, so next time you find yourself in Bologna, plan on an hour or two and add Rino's garage to your Ducati pilgrimage. Start with Rino's legacy in the garage, and then let Stefano tell you all his stories.